my name is Dee. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Product Information Management work area to understand the many aspects and phases of product data. I'll begin by navigating to the Product Information Management work area. The Product Information Management work area contains infolets that enable me to manage my product information. The work area also shows notifications about events in my workflow that need my attention. In the Product Information Management work area, you can also search for items, catalogs, and so on. Now let's examine a new item request from the Items for Definition infolet. I examine the NIR by clicking on the Details tab and decide on the appropriate action to take. I've examined this but need to think about it, so I won't take any action just yet. The task list provides me with the tools I need to manage the information lifecycle of product items. Today I'll begin with Manage Items. For efficiency, the Manage Items page starts with an empty list of items. I'll search on the first few letters of an item name to produce a list of items that match. Now I'll examine the details of this item. On this page, I can begin to edit or examine the details of an item. Many of an item's attributes are grouped on tabs for convenient access. Now I'll manage the new item request to see what new items are in the workflow for product introduction. These are the new item requests that were recently assigned to me. The page for viewing the new item request shows its priority and other general information and lists the included new items. Now I want to check on some batches of items imported from other data systems. I'll select a Save Search that retrieves imported item batches assigned to me. Now I'll look at the results of an import batch where some of the imports failed. I'll select batch number 53349 since the total item records successfully imported is less than total item records, which indicates there are errors. You can export results to a spreadsheet for offline analysis. And now I'll look at the items that were imported successfully. I'll use an import map to import item data. Now I'll look at the mapping details in an import map. First, I'll search for the import map. And now I'll look at the mapping details. Before I can create a mapping, I first have to view the source file details. I'll drag a column header from the source data to the corresponding attribute name in the master data. When I refresh the preview table, it shows how the external data maps onto the master data attributes. I've finished checking on product information for now, so I'll return to the main page. Now that you know the basics, you can explore the other infolets and tasks on your own. Thanks for watching!